Hello, my family members. As I have information, many companies including Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, TCS, Deloitte, and so on are going to start their drive for very soon. And some of them already started. So I have planned to upload individual playlists of reasoning and numericals consisting of previous year questions which are most asked and repeatedly asked in the campus or off campus drive. So today is the first session. If you love this, then I will upload two videos in a day, otherwise only one, right? Let's start the session with number series questions. Look at the question first. This is the first question that is asking to find the missing number. Think about 10 seconds, then I will solve this. Okay, the solution is, look at the number, that is 764. If you divide this by 2, then this will be 382. Okay, and if you just add 8, then you will get 390. And again with 390, if you just divide 2, then you will get 195. Then you got, I think you have got the next upcomings, that is you have to add with plus 2. That means the answer will be 195 plus 8. Sorry, I have told 2, but it will be plus 8. Okay, so in with the number 195 you have to add 8, so the answer will be 203. Okay, so next questions will be this. Try to pause the video and solve the question within 10 seconds, otherwise I will solve the question. I hope you have a little bit knowledge about reasoning and number series questions, right? If you have any confusion, then obviously ask me in the comment box so that I can aware of your problems, and I will upload a separate video solving your problem. Okay, let's see the problem. Here what happens is, with 144, sorry, 1440, if you divide this number with, sorry, if you multiply this number with 1 by 2, you will get 720, right? And if you again multiply this number 720 with 2 by 3, then you will get 480. Just calculate it. 724s are 72, sorry, 324s are 72, then 240 into 2 is equal to 480. So if you again multiply 480 into with 3 by 4, then you will get which number? If you get any number, then that number will be the answer. I hope you have got the sequence, right? So 480 into 3 by 4 is equal to 360, right? I hope you have got the answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Third question is this. Try to pause the video and solve by your own. Otherwise, I am solving the question. Okay. I hope you have got the logic, right? I am solving. Okay, let's see. If you hover from here to here, then you can see this is decreasing by 2, and again if you hover from here to here, then it is decreasing by 4, and from 29 to 27, this is decreasing by 2 again, and from 27 to 23, this is decreasing by minus 4 again, sorry, 4 again. Okay, so you have observed that frequently, -2, -4, -2, -4, this is repeating, so the next number will be decreased by 2, so the answer will be 21, right? So I have, you got the logic. So let's move to the next question. This is the question number 4. Friend, please try to solve the question by your own, so that your ability of solving will be enhanced, right? Okay, I am solving the problem. Look at here. What happens from 3 to 5? This is increasing by +2, +2, right? And from 21 to 19, this is decreasing by 2, and here increasing by 2. Okay, here means 2, 3 to 5 it is increasing by 2, and 21 to 19 this is decreasing by 2. And again from 5 to 8, 8 to 12, just look at the sequence. Okay, what is happening in this sequence? 5 to 8, this is increasing by 3, and from 8 to 12 it is increasing by 4, and from 12 to 7 this is increasing by 5. Okay, and from 19 to 16 this, and 16 to 12, 12 to the missing number, so here -2. Then this will obviously, you can observe that 19 to 16 this is decreasing by 3, again 16 to 12 this is decreasing by -4, and from 12 to the, from 12 to the missing number, this will be minus, sorry, -16, yes, right. 12 to the missing number, the number will be -5, sorry, the number will be decreased by 5, so 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, so the missing number will be 7, right? So I hope you got the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 5 is, you have, your task is to find the irrelevant number in the series. Pause the video and solve the question first, and answer in the comment box. I will give a heart to you. Okay, I am solving the problem. Just look at this. From 2 to 3, this is the number 2 is added with 1 square, and from 3 to 12 this number is added with, 3 is added with 3 square, and the number 12 is added with plus 5 square. So if 12 is added with 5 square, then this number will be 37, and from 37 to 86, what happens here? Here the number 37 is added with 7 square, so the 86 is here. Okay, so in this sequence you have to maintain the sequence, then you should add this number 86 with 9 square, and from in the next number should be added with 11 square. Then let's check what is the incorrect. So if you add 86 with 9 square, then 86 and 81 is 167. Okay, so this should be 167. So this is the supposed this was supposed to become, but this is given 186, so this is the actually irrelevant number in the series. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you have understood the problem. Okay, let's move to the next problem. This is the next problem for you. Kindly pause the video and try to solve by your own. Okay, I hope you have already solved in your exercise book. Then this is my turn to explain to you. Okay, so look at here carefully. What is happening? You have to add 9, you have to multiply 9 with 1 first, then sorry, you have to multiply 9 by 2 minus 1, so that you will get 17. Okay, 9 into 9 2s are 18, minus 1 is equal to 17, and in the next line you have to multiply 17 with 2 and decrease by 2. So that you can get 17 into 2 is equal to 34 minus 2 is equal to 32. And in the next line you have to take 32 here and multiply this number with 2 and decrease by 3. You can observe the sequence. Actually this 1, 2 and 3 is increasing and this number is coming from this side. Okay, so 32 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 61. This way you have to find this missing number. So the number 61 should be multiplied with 2 and should be subtracted by 4. So what will we get? 61 into 2 is equal to 122 and minus 4 is equal to 118. So I hope you have already solved this problem, right? Okay, let's move to the next problem. Here is your problem. Kindly solve this and give the answer in the comment box. Okay, I am solving the problem. Let's look at here carefully. If you just subtract 32 with 13, then this number will be what? This number will be 19. And if you subtract 19 with just 11, you will get 8. And after that, if you subtract 8 with 7, then you will get what? 1. You look at the sequence. At first the pattern is actually decreased by a prime number. Then the next pattern is actually maintaining the prime number sequence. So at first it is decreased by 13, that is a prime number, and the next prime number is 11. I mean from the last to first, the next prime number is 11, so it is decreased by 11, and then this is decreased by 7, which is the next prime number. Okay, so this is the answer, 1. Okay, so I hope you have got it. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Okay, let's solve the problem. I hope you have paused and tried yourself, but I am solving the question. You look at this. The first item is what? First item is 1, and the second item is 7, and so the third item is 7 plus a 1, that is 8, right? And the fourth item is 7 square is equal to 49, and the fifth item is 49 plus 1 is equal to 50, and the next item is 7 into 8 is equal to 56, and with 56 if you have add 1, then you got 57, and done 7 cube, then this number will be 343, and if you add 343 with 1, then you will got what? 344. I hope you have got the answer, right? Just look at the sequence. It's mentioned, actually maintaining. This was quite a difficult problem, but you should have all knowledge of from anywhere, from any questions like that. Okay, then go to the next problem. Okay, find the missing number from this series, then come with a solution, right? I hope you have got an answer. I am mentioning the answer here, right? look at here. The first item is 8, right? The next item is 8 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 17, and the next item is 17 into 2 plus that is 1 is equal to 35. And if you increase by the same, yes, right. So if you just maintain the sequence, then you will get answer 35 multiplied with 2 plus 1, that is 35 into 2 is 70 plus 1 is equal to 71. And just look at here, if this maintain in the next pattern also, 71 multiplied with 2, 142 plus 1, 42 plus 1, 43, right? 143, this will be the next number. So this is the answer, the missing number, right? Okay, let's solve the last problem of today's session. I hope you have paused the video and tried by yourself. I am just solving the problem due to reduction of time, right? I hope you have some logics in your head, right? Okay, let's try to solve the problem. Just look at here. If you just 132 plus 12 minus 1, then it will be 143. You have to actually calculate how the next number is coming. I calculated that number and we got this logic should be imposed so that 143 come, right? So in the next line, how 163 came? If we do this numeric 143 plus 22 minus 2, that is 20 plus 143 is equal to 163. And to maintain the sequence, what we have to do, we have to just add the number with the logic, right? 32 minus 3, just look at this sequence, 1 2 3 12 22 32, right? That it is 29, so the number will be 192. So in the next line we will maintain the same sequence, so 192 will be added with 42 and decreased by 3. So what will be the answer? 42 minus 3, that is 2, that is 230. Actually 230 is the answer. And maintain the sequence and maintain the logic, then you will get 27, but the answer is 230, right? So I hope you have learned in this session a lot. And if you have any confusion in this session, then obviously ask me in the comment box. And if you think that I should upload videos regularly, so please comment and influence me. Okay, thank you.